Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to stay anonymous when posting on Glassdoor. First, you'll need to have a Glassdoor account. If you haven't created one yet, go ahead and sign up. It only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, head over to your Glassdoor home screen. Here, you'll see the option to post anonymously. By default, Glassdoor lets you decide how you want to appear when posting. If you select Anonymous, your identity will stay hidden, and your post will not show your name. If you select Post as yourself, your post will show your profile name. You can toggle between these two options anytime before you publish something. Right now, mine is set to anonymous. So, anything I post will not reveal my name. If I switch it to post as yourself, then my identity will show. And that's it. That's how simple it is to post anonymously on Glassdoor. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.